A digital vision board is a tool that helps to visualize and achieve personal goals. It is a powerful and effective tool for individuals who want to live a purposeful life. Using an iPad to create a digital vision board is an excellent way to bring your goals and dreams to life in a creative and interactive way. In this article, we will explore the various ways to create a digital vision board on an iPad and the benefits of using this tool. Whether you want to focus on personal development, career goals, or wellness, a digital vision board on your iPad can help you stay inspired and motivated. 1. Choosing the right apps. When it comes to creating a digital vision board on your iPad, choosing the right app is crucial. There are various apps available on the App Store that can help you design a visually appealing vision board. Some popular options include Canva, Piccollage, and Adobe Spark Post. Canva offers a wide range of templates and design elements, while Piccollage allows you to add photos and text in creative ways. Adobe Spark Post offers professionally designed templates that you can customize to fit your personal style. Before selecting an app, make sure to check out its features and user reviews to ensure it aligns with your needs and preferences. 2. Gathering inspiration and visuals. Creating a digital vision board requires gathering inspiration and visuals that represent your goals and desires. You can start by browsing through your favorite social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Tumblr for images that resonate with your aspirations. You can also search for specific images related to your goals, such as fitness, travel, or career, on stock photo websites like Unsplash or Pexels. Another great source of inspiration is your own photos. You can use images you have taken on your travels, with family and friends, or of personal achievements to remind you of the positive experiences you have had and inspire you to achieve more. Once you have gathered your visuals, you can organize them into categories based on your goals, such as health and fitness, career, or personal development. This will help you create a more focused and meaningful vision board. 3. Setting up your vision board. Setting up a digital vision board on your iPad can be a fun and creative way to manifest your goals and dreams. Once you have chosen the right app and gathered your inspiration and visuals, it's time to set up your vision board. Start by selecting a background image or color that resonates with you and your goals. Next, add your visuals, whether it's images, quotes, or icons, onto the board. Arrange them in a way that is visually pleasing to you and represents your goals and aspirations. It's important to keep the overall design of the board in mind as you add more elements. Once you have added all of your visuals, take some time to reflect on your vision board and make any necessary adjustments. Remember to keep your vision board in a place where you can see it daily, such as your lock screen or wallpaper, to help keep your goals in focus. With the right tools and mindset, creating a digital vision board on your iPad can be a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. Creating a digital vision board on your iPad can be a fun and inspiring way to visualize your goals and aspirations. With the right apps and tools, you can easily gather inspiration and create a visually appealing board that reflects your dreams and aspirations. By choosing the right apps, gathering inspiration and visuals, and setting up your vision board in a way that works for you, you can create a powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams and stay focused on your goals. Remember, the most important part of creating a vision board is to stay positive, stay motivated, and believe that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching.